AI is taking over the stock market in 2025. Here's what you need to know. Are robots running Wall Street? In 2025, the answer might be closer than you think. Just last winter, an AI frenzy over a Chinese trading model called DeepSeek sparked a sudden tech stock rout, wiping out billions for hedge funds. So fasten your seatbelt. AI is not just a buzzword, it's shaking up investing right now. Visual, stock chart crashing, tech stocks, with AI frenzy headline overlay. Introduction, the AI invasion of finance, 0.30 to a wing. Welcome to the brave new world of investing. In 2025, artificial intelligence isn't science fiction, it's inside your portfolio. From Wall Street megabanks to your smartphone advisor, AI is changing how decisions get made. Imagine a trading floor where advanced algorithms and chatbots crunch numbers instead of humans. That's happening today. By 2027, industry analysts say AI-driven tools could become the primary source of investment advice for retail investors. Up to 80% usage by 2028. AI isn't just a back-office helper, it's front and center. Even Morgan Stanley now uses an internal AI assistant, Debrief, to help advisors in client meetings. Big banks are racing to integrate AI, like OpenAI's tech, into their workflows. Visual, image of a person analyzing stock data on phone and laptop, illustrating AI-driven trading. This video will unpack how AI is changing trading and investing, who's using it, what the risks are, and how you can start using it yourself. Ready? Let's dive in. Have you ever tried asking ChatGPT for investing tips? Stick around, we'll talk about that too. Segment 1. How AI is changing trading, 2026. First, let's look at the big players. Wall Street firms and hedge funds have quietly been using AI and machine learning for years. Now it's exploding. For example, ING Bank built a new AI system to set currency exchange prices. Its head of electronic trading says the AI completely takes care of a full-time pricing job that traders used to do, and it has definitely outperformed a human. Long-short funds and quant shops are also deploying AI. AQR Capital co-founder Cliff Asness, famous for quant investing, admits that AI is getting annoyingly better at the parts of his job. In a recent interview, Asness said flatly, "AI's coming for me now." His firm's AI algorithms are already combining complex investment factors to build market-beating portfolios. That's one of the top quants saying the machines are winning. At the same time, robo-advisors and trading platforms for everyday investors are using AI too. Automated apps, think Betterment, Wealthfront, etc., have always used rules-based algorithms. Now many are adding machine learning to analyze markets or personalize portfolios. Large asset managers like BlackRock are working on AI models to help forecast market trends. In fact, a recent study out of Cornell University used GPT-4 to emulate expert analysts, and it found the AI could deliver excess returns by making investment decisions. Even research institutions are testing LLMs, like GPT-4, to see if they can beat human forecasters. Visual, chart animation of AI versus human performance, ticker numbers changing. On-screen text highlight AI beats humans in currency trading. To put a number on it, JP Chase, the largest U.S. bank, says its new AI tools helped boost sales by 20% from 2023 to 2024 in its asset and wealth management business. CEO Mary Erdoes reports that when markets got wild, AI pre-populated data for advisors, letting them handle client queries 95% faster. JP Morgan even rolled out a Coach AI on advisors' desktops to fetch research on demand. So right now, AI is already powering trades, pricing assets, and accelerating workflows in the stock market. And it's not just hype. Top firms say it's working. Transition cliffhanger. Next, we'll see how this filters down to everyday investors and advisors. Spoiler, your financial advisor might have a robot assistant too. Segment 2. AI in Investing and Advising. 6-10 Patsuru. AI isn't only for elites. Wealth managers and online brokers are putting AI directly into investor tools. Consider wealth management. Microsoft's head of AI for financial services, Martin Moeller, says generative AI will reshape the competitive landscape. With AI, a small startup could challenge a big bank by automating entire teams' work. Even by early 2024, corporations like Klarna were using generative AI to do the work of hundreds of employees. Similarly, UBS's CEO notes AI could boost productivity and ease the work of bank advisors. So wealth firms are speeding up AI adoption. For example, Morgan Stanley built an OpenAI-powered chatbot for its financial advisors to get quick market insights. Goldman Sachs also introduced a GenAI assistant for bankers and traders. It's the same tech as ChatGPT, but trained on financial data and research. The idea: automate basic tasks so human advisors spend time on strategy. For retail investors, popular trading apps are experimenting too. Some fintech startups let you ask a chatbot to explain why stock X is rising by scanning news headlines. Brokers are offering AI-driven stock screeners and personalized portfolio rebalancers. In short, AI is infiltrating the tools you use every day. Visual: image of AI-generated trading graph on a computer screen, symbolizing algorithmic trading tools. Even independent financial advisors are hopping on AI. A 2025 fintech survey found 41% of advisors are using search or generative AI tools in their work. Some firms are more cautious about letting AI give advice, but they're training advisors to use AI behind the scenes. As Barclays noted, investors are looking for strategies that leverage volatility, and AI can help identify those patterns. Recall the DeepSeek example. An overenthusiasm in AI stocks briefly backfired. Interactive cue. VoiceOver asks, what would you ask an AI assistant about your investments? Pause for effect. Transition cliffhanger. We've seen the promise, but what about the problems? Next, we'll explore the risks and limits of AI in finance, from black box errors to market madness. Segment 3. AI for Retail Investors. 10-13 Inawag. So far, we've talked about big banks and advisors, but you, the viewer, might wonder, how can I use AI in my investing? Good news, there are tools for individuals too. Many brokerage and wealth platforms are adding AI features. Robo-advisors, these automated portfolio managers now use AI to optimize asset allocation. They can digest news, reports, and your goals to tweak your investments. AI stock screeners. Apps like TrendSpider or Kensho use machine learning to identify technical patterns and alert you. They can even parse social media sentiment on stocks. Chatbots for investors. You can literally ask ChatGPT or Google's Bard about market trends or definitions. For example, you might ask for a layman's explanation of a complex stock chart. Just remember, LLMs can hallucinate, so always double-check their answers. Copy trading signal platforms. Some services use AI to generate buy-sell signals that others can follow in real time. They promise to spot opportunities faster than manual research. Many of these are experimental, but the entry cost is low. You already have an AI in your pocket. VoiceOver. On the other hand, certain traditional advisors worry about AI replacing them. But experts say trust and human judgment still matter. People want emotional intelligence when planning money. As One Finance AI Analysis notes, AI can crunch data incredibly fast and give solid recommendations, but it may not replace the human touch, trust equation. Visual, montage. Someone using a trading app with AI features, advisor and AI graphic together. Important context: AI is a tool, not a crystal ball. Even powerful models like GPT-4 are evolving. Currently, AI doesn't autonomously choose specific investments for you. It assists. The next leap, sometimes called agentic AI, that makes decisions on its own, is predicted to be a couple years out. Would you trust an AI to pick your stocks? Pause. Transition cliffhanger. But before you download the next shiny AI trading app, let's talk risks.